When you choose Foster Fuels for any of our services, you get the best customer experience from start to finish. Our expert sales team is ready to assist you with the right selection for your home or business. Our trained and licensed technicians will come to your home and provide professional propane tank and appliance installation. Foster Fuels is focused on the safety of your home and family. We will make sure the job is done right. Our highly trained delivery drivers provide delivery of your fuel in a timely fashion at a fair and competitive price. We use state-of-the-art equipment to ensure your and your family's safety. We have the knowledge and expertise to be your trusted fuel provider. From a wide selection of hearth and home products to delivery and installation, rely on us to take care of all of your propane service needs. Foster Fuels wants you to be a customer for life. Our trained technicians are committed to providing top quality maintenance and system testing to make sure your system remains safe for a lifetime of usage. Our goal is to help you create a comfortable and cozy experience in your home for the whole family to enjoy.